Come with me. 2 thumbs up for one of the most original animated films ever. Isn't it exciting? It's the coolest movie of the summer. It's my dream. It's awesome.
I know.
Surf's Up. Opens Friday.
David Suzuki?
Oh, hi, Bob. They're changing this wasteful vault with something more modern and efficient.
That's one.
There goes the flowers.
You have the power, Bob.
Yikes, you got the middle, but that's okay. You got Wendy's new Steakhouse Double Melt. You know how good the middle can be. Caramelized onions and mushrooms, bacon, creamy Swiss, and peppercorn sauce melted in the middle of 2 hot and juicy, fresh, never frozen beef patties. Got good mood, Mr. 14B. You've gained a whole new appreciation for the middle. Wendy's, that's right.
How's it going down there?
That was all I had, Mike.
You know what you gotta do. You wanna make things right? You gotta start right.
Start your day with the new rich brew taste of Nescafe Rich.
Hey, what took you so long?
In the blink of an eye, the Kraken